Dr. Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. David's response to the new medication. He's been experiencing side effects that are affecting his quality of life.
That's concerning, Dr. Mihira. What specific side effects is he experiencing?
He's been feeling fatigued, dizzy, and experiencing nausea. He's also noticed a decrease in appetite.
These side effects can be common with certain medications. We might need to adjust the dosage or consider switching to an alternative medication.
I agree. Let's review the medication information and explore potential alternatives. We need to find a medication that effectively manages his condition without causing significant side effects.
We should also monitor Mr. David closely for any worsening of his symptoms. If the side effects become intolerable, we might need to discontinue the medication, Dr. Mihira.
I'll inform Mr. David about the potential side effects and the need for monitoring. We'll also discuss alternative treatment options if necessary.
Mihira, I understand this must be incredibly difficult and worrying for you. It takes a lot of courage to even think about addressing something like this, especially when it concerns someone as close as your father. The very first and most important step is to gently encourage your father to speak with a doctor. A medical professional can assess his overall health, understand the extent of his dependence, and guide him safely through the initial stages. Quitting alcohol, especially after prolonged use, can be physically dangerous without medical supervision, so a doctor might suggest a detox program. These programs are medically supervised environments where he can safely withdraw from alcohol, managing any uncomfortable or dangerous symptoms that might arise. It's a way to get the alcohol safely out of his system. Beyond the initial physical aspect, addressing the reasons behind the drinking is crucial. This is where counseling or therapy comes in. A therapist can help him explore the underlying issues, develop healthier coping mechanisms, and learn strategies to manage cravings and triggers. It's a space where he can talk openly without judgment and gain valuable insights. Another incredibly powerful resource is support groups, such as Alcoholics Anonymous, AA. These groups offer a safe and confidential environment where individuals share their experiences, strengths, and hopes with others who are facing similar challenges. The peer support and shared understanding can be profoundly comforting and motivating, reminding him that he's not isolated in his struggle. Finally, integrating lifestyle changes can also play a significant role. This could involve finding new hobbies or activities that don't revolve around alcohol, building a strong support network of friends and family who encourage sobriety, focusing on healthy eating, and incorporating physical activity. These changes help build a new, healthier routine and a fulfilling life without alcohol. It's a long and challenging road, Mihira, but there is genuine hope and effective help available. Focusing on one step at a time, starting with professional medical guidance, is the best way forward. Remember to take care of yourself through this process too. Supporting a loved one through addiction can be draining, and your well-being matters.